Pulse News, delivering your daily dose of free and open source software news. PearOS 26.2 release with liquid gel design, Wayland session, and more. The latest version of PearOS 26.2 introduces an innovative liquid gel design theme, enhances user experience by offering a native Wayland session, and includes various other improvements. The new design provides a fluid and cohesive look across the interface, while the introduction of the Wayland session promises better performance and reduced latency for users. This release also brings several under-the-hood optimizations aimed at improving system efficiency and stability. GNU Binutils 2.46 enhances support for AMD Zen6 CPUs and introduces SFrame v3. The GNU Binutils package version 2.46 includes notable enhancements, such as support for the latest AMD Zen6 processors and an update to SFrame technology with its third version. This release is part of ongoing efforts by developers to optimize performance across various hardware architectures, ensuring that applications run more efficiently on cutting-edge CPUs. GNU Linux-Libre 6.19 kernel is now available for software freedom enthusiasts. The new project has released the latest version of the Linux-Libre kernel, version 6.19, prioritizing user privacy and control over software. This iteration strips out proprietary modules included in standard Linux kernels, offering a fully free alternative that aligns with the new philosophy of software freedom. The update includes numerous security enhancements and performance improvements, making it suitable for a range of devices from desktops to servers. NULLFS and OPENTREENAMESPACE features successfully merged into Linux 7.0. Linux version 7.0 now includes the NULLFS and OPENTREENAMESPACE features, enhancing file system capabilities by allowing seamless integration of directories as file systems and improving namespace support for better virtualization efficiency. These additions improve resource sharing and container management in Linux environments. AMD begins open-source firmware development on a new AM5 motherboard. AMD has initiated the porting of OpenSIL and Coreboot to an AM5 consumer motherboard, marking a significant step in integrating advanced firmware solutions for modern processors. This development supports AMD's Zen 5 architecture, enhancing customization and performance for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. The integration allows users to gain deeper control over hardware settings and potentially improve system efficiency and responsiveness. Redox OS now supports the Cargo Package Manager and Rust compiler. The latest update to Redox OS, a Unix-like operating system developed using Rust, introduces support for both the Cargo Package Manager and the Rust compiler. This enhancement significantly eases application development on the platform, facilitating better management of dependencies and streamlined coding practices. With these tools now integrated, developers can more efficiently build and deploy software on Redox OS, taking full advantage of its robust security features and modular design. Btrfs introduces the experimental Remap-Tree feature in Linux 7.0. The Btrfs file system has added an experimental feature called Remap-Tree with the release of Linux 7.0. This new functionality aims to improve data integrity and performance by allowing more flexibility in how file systems map their structures within a storage device's physical layout. Remap-Tree can potentially enhance fault tolerance, optimize space utilization, and streamline defragmentation processes. Linux 7.0 marks the end of the Rust experiment. The upcoming Linux kernel 7.0 marks a significant milestone by concluding its experiment with integrating the Rust programming language. This initiative aimed to enhance system security and reliability through Rust's memory safety features, allowing developers to write more secure code without fear of common vulnerabilities like buffer overflows. Despite initial enthusiasm, challenges in maintaining compatibility and performance led to Rust components being scaled back. GNU Linux-Libre 6.19 addresses additional firmware issues in Intel and NVIDIA components. The new /Linux-Libre version 6.19 has been released, tackling more firmware blobs for Intel Z graphics and IWLWIFI wireless modules, as well as NVIDIA's Nova drivers. This release emphasizes the project's commitment to open source purity by removing proprietary software components from Linux distributions. The focus on these particular hardware elements highlights ongoing efforts to enhance user control over their systems. GNU Binutils 2.46 release with AMD Zen 6 support and SFrame version 3. The latest release of GNU Binutils version 2.46 introduces support for AMD's new Zen 6 processors, enhancing performance and compatibility for developers targeting the latest hardware architecture. Additionally, this update incorporates improvements to the SFrame version 3 framework, optimizing the toolchain for more efficient execution and generation capabilities. Debian's Tag 2 upload tool is now generally available for streamlining package releases. The Debian project has announced that its tool Tag 2 upload has reached general availability GA, marking a significant milestone in improving the packaging workflow. This tool facilitates a smoother release process by automating the tagging and uploading of new package versions to Debian's repositories. Developers can now efficiently manage versioning, reducing manual steps and speeding up the distribution of updates. Blender 5.1 introduces raycast nodes. This update marks a shift in Blender's release cycle strategy moving forward, aiming for more frequent updates to better serve the user community. The inclusion of raycast nodes allows artists to efficiently project rays onto surfaces within scenes, improving workflows that involve collision detection or procedural modeling. With this version, users also benefit from improved render times and additional features that support creative freedom in 3D projects. AMD introduces support for peak tops limiter in its Linux drivers. The latest update from AMD includes support for the peak tops limiter (PTL) feature in its Linux drivers, enhancing power management and performance efficiency. This addition is aimed at optimizing graphics performance on systems using AMD PUs by preventing overheating and improving energy consumption. PTL works by dynamically adjusting GPU clock speeds to maintain optimal thermal conditions during high-intensity workloads. Windows 11 vs. Ubuntu Linux performance on Intel Core Ultra X7 Panther Lake. A comparative performance review of Windows 11 and Ubuntu Linux on the new Intel Core Ultra X7 processors, revealing insights into efficiency, speed, and usability across various tasks. PearOS conducted a detailed analysis comparing Windows 11 and Ubuntu Linux on Intel's latest Core Ultra X7 Panther Lake architecture. Nextcloud Alternative Group Office 2.6.0 targets small businesses with enhanced features. The latest release of Group Office, a less-known alternative to Nextcloud, brings new features and improvements, making it more appealing for small businesses. Version 2.6.0 enhances collaboration tools, improves security measures, and introduces better user interface designs tailored to smaller teams' needs. This update focuses on simplifying file management and email integration, aiming to streamline business operations efficiently. Seed Studio's new robotic arm lowers barriers for accessible embodied AI. Seed Studio has unveiled an open-source robotic arm designed to make embodied artificial intelligence more accessible. This innovation aims to reduce costs and technical hurdles, making it easier for hobbyists, educators, and researchers to explore robotics. The project is part of Seed's efforts to democratize technology by providing affordable and user-friendly hardware options. By offering a fully open-source platform, the robotic arm encourages community collaboration and customization. Ghostty vs Kitty, a comparative look at modern terminals for Linux. Linux users often debate which modern terminal offers the best experience, and Ghostty vs Kitty is a prominent comparison. While both terminals are known for their speed and customization options, they cater to slightly different needs. Ghostty focuses on simplicity with a minimalistic approach, appealing to those who prefer straightforward functionality without excessive configurations. Ubuntu 26.04 removes software and updates GUI from default installations. The latest Ubuntu release, version 26.04, no longer includes the software and updates tool in its default installation package. This move aims to simplify the setup process for new users by streamlining system configurations and reducing unnecessary complexities. Instead of relying on a graphical interface, users are encouraged to manage software repositories and updates via command line tools or alternative methods, which aligns with Ubuntu's goal to enhance performance and ease of use. Cine introduces a sleek video player for GNOME powered by MPV. Cine offers a fresh experience in the GNOME desktop environment as an elegant video player leveraging MPV's robust capabilities. This application is designed to cater to users who appreciate a minimalist aesthetic without compromising on functionality. It seamlessly integrates with GNOME, providing a straightforward interface that prioritizes ease of use and accessibility. Cine's reliance on MPV ensures efficient playback of various media formats while maintaining low resource usage. FOSS Pulse News, your daily free software and open source news is done for today. Stay free, stay open, until we meet again.